Hello, I'm Catherine Santamaria, Director of the Rice Business Plan Competition. Welcome to the 2026 Rice Business Plan Competition. You are joining over 350 judges participating in this event to review 42 student-led startups. We are very excited you are here for our 26th year and that you have chosen to support some of the world's most promising startups on their entrepreneurial journey. Judges play a key role in our success as the world's largest and richest student startup competition, where student entrepreneurs have the unparalleled experience of pitching their ventures to investors and learning what it takes to build and launch a successful business. You have a big impact on our event, and we thank you. Over the next few minutes, we will review the instructions for judging. These are critical to ensure a fair and well-run event. All scoring is done on the online judging platform by Poetic Systems. For returning judges, this is the platform you've used for the past 6 years. All registered judges have been given access to the judging platform in advance of the competition. You can log on to the judging platform on your mobile phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop. The address is rbpc.poetic.io. Your attendance each morning of the competition is crucial. All rounds begin promptly at the time stated on the schedule, 8:45 a.m. on Friday and 8:30 a.m. on Saturday. Please be sure to be on time so you can watch each pitch in full and watch all the pitches in the flight. Your scores will be invalid if you do not. We will be taking attendance in each round. Throughout the competition, each pitch is 10 minutes, uninterrupted, followed by a Q&A session with the judges. The length of each Q&A session is noted on the schedule. We request that judges ask questions by first raising their hand and then being called on by the startup team member or the room moderator. Time is limited for Q&A. Please ask your questions quickly and fully, be concise and constructive with your questions, and do not offer opinions, feedback, or lengthy build-up to your questions. Follow and respect the room moderator's instructions and decisions during the flight. There are 10-minute breaks between pitches throughout the competition, and only registered judges can ask questions. After the last pitch and last Q&A session in the flight has concluded, judges will enter their scores in the online judging platform. Judges will rank the startups they see in their flights. Rank the startups from 1, the best investment potential or opportunity, through 6, the poorest investment potential or opportunity. Wait until you have heard all the pitches to submit your ranking of the startups. Judges will have roughly 10 minutes to enter their scores after the last Q&A has concluded. Please be conscious of the time and work quickly. In round 1, all judges have feedback forms to fill out for each of the 6 startups they see. Please use the feedback forms as a guide on how to review the startups. Write feedback on the forms, which will be given to the startups at the end of the day. This feedback is crucial for helping startups refine their pitch for future rounds of competition. In round 1, after the last pitch and Q&A session, we will have a 15-minute break before starting the feedback sessions. These feedback sessions are 15 minutes long, with judges reviewing the startup pitch and presentation and offering feedback and advice. The 2 top-scoring startups from each of the 7 round 1 flights, plus the next overall top-scoring startup from all 7 flights, will advance to the semifinal round. That's 15 startups total in the semifinals. The remaining 27 startups will advance to the wildcard round. In the semifinal round, there are 3 flights of 5 startups each. In the wildcard round, there are 6 flights of 4 to 5 startups each. The 2 top-scoring startups from each of the 3 semifinal round flights, plus the overall top-scoring startup from the wildcard round, will advance to the final round. That's 7 startups in the final round. Let's talk about how to judge. Our judges act as early-stage investors. They are determining which startups represent the best investment opportunity. Judges should rank the startups where they would most likely invest their money. Your top ranking should go to the startups that give the most compelling case on why they will succeed and provide evidence that they are committed to take this startup to market. Look for the startups that have the best potential of return on investment. For each startup, ask yourself, if I were an investor or funder in early stage companies, would I put my money behind this company and these founders? Which company would I fund? All teams have been vetted and confirmed that they are eligible. They all meet the requirements to compete at the RBPC. However, if you see or hear something from a team that appears different from the RBPC rules, email me, Catherine, the RBPC director, at rbpc@rice.edu with your concerns. We will assess the issue and will consult PKF Texas, the official auditing firm of the RBPC, if needed. Do not challenge the startup or disrupt the session by focusing on that issue, and do not interrupt the pitch. Continue to score and evaluate the startup as usual. We are committed to fostering an educational and impactful environment for everyone at the RBPC. We expect all participants to treat each other respectfully. If judges or startups observe anyone acting in a way that is not consistent with these principles, please contact me at rbpc@rice.edu or contact Belonging and Engagement for Rice Business. We want our judges to be excited, learn about new technologies, meet innovative startups, give valuable advice and constructive feedback, and offer to help our student ventures. We want you to be positive, be a role model, and be impactful. Have a wonderful competition and get ready to watch some innovative pitches from high-caliber startups. Let's get started. Judges, please make sure you can log on to the judging platform by Poetic Systems, click on today's round, and see the list of startups. They are in the same order as they are presenting in the flight. At the end of the flight, rank the startups you have seen in order of 1. The best investment opportunity, 2. Great investment opportunity, 3. Good investment opportunity, and so on down through the number of startups. When finished, click Submit. You will get a confirmation screen and you're done. Scoring will close 10 minutes after the end of the last Q&A session, so please submit your scores by that time. Here we go.